Today we're going to be talking about how to be a millionaire, and that one way to do it is if you were smart enough to have bought Million token. It's a new token or cryptocurrency by the legendary TechLead on YouTube. Now I must admit I'm kind of a fool. When I first heard about this project, I had watched all of TechLead's videos, and he talked about how cryptocurrency is a fraud and a scam. So I just thought, okay, this guy really is not into cryptocurrencies. And then lo and behold, he invented one. That was a weird thing. I was like, wow, what the heck, what's this all about?
Yep, and Michael poo-pooed it so much that I was like, I won't really do anything. But it also was very difficult because you have to go on Uniswap and...
Yeah, this is not an easy... To be honest, I think you have to be a little bit of a nerd to buy TechLead's Million coin, because you first have to get Ethereum, then you have to get the public wallet address or something like that, and then you use that on Uniswap to buy the crypto you want. And apparently you could buy TechLead's Million token through there. When I first heard about it, I just thought it was an interesting experiment. I didn't even think anything would happen with it. I thought, who would buy this?
Yeah, well, now it's currently trading at $206 after it made a low of 5.
But here's the thing, a lot of people on Reddit have actually made an interesting comment. They think that he invented this to prove his point that people will just jump to any cryptocurrency. You just invent it, you put a catchy name and a great logo, and boom, people are instantly interested in this kind of crypto. Maybe I should take this thing off temporarily. Oh, that's a little better. So I think that his view is people are just attracted to any kind of random crypto. Nothing will stop them, and right now it is going to the moon. So that joke that he had,
all the other cryptos are going down.
Yeah, it is a weird thing that all the other cryptos are going down while his is going up. But here's the problem I have. There's a few problems, and you know, my channel always talks about the negatives of certain kind of investments. So let's talk about some problems with his idea. For one thing, I don't see what problem he solves that Bitcoin doesn't solve. For instance, Bitcoin has a large number of people around the world who are into that system, and so the liquidity is pretty high. So, and the issue is it's been around a long time, which means that it's a little bit less fragile than something that's new. When it's new, it's a higher risk. So I don't think it's hard for me to believe anybody buys TechLead's Million token because they want to protect themselves from inflation. I get the sense they buy it because they want to get rich quickly. That seems to be the main reason. And my other complaint is it runs on the Ethereum network, which means there's more fragility in this than Bitcoin. For instance, Bitcoin doesn't care. It doesn't matter what happens to Ethereum. Whereas on this, not only do you have to care about TechLead's coin, but then you have to make sure the Ethereum network is running smoothly. And ironically, TechLead in a former video talked about how Ethereum is terrible and is not going to have very good security over the long run. So I'm not so sure I understand how you can square these beliefs around. What do you think?
I think that it's an interesting idea, but and it is more rare than Bitcoin, so it's deflationary in that sense. But it does seem
it only matters if people care about it, though.
It does seem quite a bit that's, you know, he's hoping that people will see him or his YouTube page as a kind of a way to get his reputation out there. I think well, he's definitely probably getting a lot more views, so this could be more of a publicity stunt to get.
It could be a publicity stunt to get more views on YouTube, but some people say that he's just using his notoriety to pump a crypto.
And I don't think, and certainly TechLead is not a mainstream person on YouTube, really. I mean,
no.
Some people know about him, but he's not really someone that
most people,
like Elon Musk.
Most people don't know about any of these tokens, though. There are a whole bunch there are thousands of them, and most people don't know about any of them. They're just pumped by a small group of people usually.
Yeah, but I do think if Elon Musk were to pump it,
Oh man, it would go up.
Probably mark the end of it.
Yep.
Too.
Yeah. Well, I think here's the thing. He saw Dogecoin go up, and that doesn't even have very good code. The code on Dogecoin is terrible. It was meant as a joke. So, to me, it actually is funny if this turns out to be a joke on TechLead's part, and he's just saying, "Hey, look, I kind of created a better Dogecoin," and it's just ironic to call it million too, because he uses the word million often because that tends to get more hits on YouTube when you use the word million or millionaire.
Well, he might be a billionaire soon.
Yeah,
soon
he'll be making YouTube videos saying as a billionaire, and that would be interesting. So, any last words for our viewers?
Well, I think it's a very speculative bet, so far we're not putting any money into it. I actually believe that if I were to consider it, I would wait for another crash, because all these cryptos eventually do crash. They do usually often recover if it's a good one. So if I saw this thing really take a dump, like over 90%, I might consider buying some. If it's easier to buy it at that point.
It's not a good idea to just chase this thing once it's just going to the moon, literally like a rocket ship. That's usually the wrong time. That's when everybody is talking to you about it, and they're talking once they're talking about it in the news. And I think Reddit almost counts as news. I think that's almost when it's too late, when people are starting to say, "Hey, look at this! Isn't this amazing?" It's too late. Anyway, we will continue to monitor TechLead's million token. Of course, I wish I had put money into it, but I just think that I don't really like to put money into these more of these unknown coins, because I think there's just a higher chance that they're going to just fly high and then disappear all of a sudden. I don't think there's really a reason to chase a lot of these things. Anyway, I do look forward to hearing what your thoughts are about Million token or any other crypto. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hi little doggy. You're a cute little doggy. Look at this cute little doggy here. Here's a cute little doggy. Hi.